Welcome to the Melly
and Shally Show,
where we unpack the products one product at a time.
So, product specific for today will be our oil spot remover, and this is such an amazing product as it will be able to remove those oil spots that's in a driveway, but there's so many applications we're going to touch on as well.
So the product code for the oil spot remover is 3315, and we know that a lot of our products do have a main language because we're a German brand. So once again, very, very easy for you to use your Liqui Moly Advantage app to just scan the barcode, and you know that everything that you'll be able to see would be English and for you to be able to understand. So oil spot remover, what can this be used for?
Cool, so oil spot remover is a simple application. So you'll see as I pop this lid, you'll see it's got a nice nozzle there. So the reason for this is actually downward application on your tile surface or at home on your pavements. So wherever you had those nice oily stains that stays there and it's so difficult to get rid of, this will be able to remove it.
So one of the things that really I've had people come and mow the lawn, and when I arrive there, the garden looks great, but they've got these oil stains in the driveway. Or you've come to some business park and you see that it looks like there's a kind of a collage of all these oil spots. And this product is ideal to be able to make sure that those spots that you have at home on your driveway is going to be something of the past and you can remove it. So an easy, simple way to use it is to be able to find that, to take the oily section on the driveway. And as Shally just said, you can apply it upside down, spray it onto it. You'll see it starts becoming a white powder. So what it's going to do, it's going to pull out the oiliness from the surface that the oil has actually been spilled on. And it's going to change color. You're going to see it's going to become quite a funny brown, blackish color. And you will be able to then take a broom when it's dry and just wipe off all the oil stain.
Cool. So a different application in the workshop specifically is to allocate or detect leaks from the seal sweating on your oil pan. So what you actually do is you apply this on the oil pan at the bottom, and you'll be able to see where the oil actually seeps from, and be able to focus on that to reapply sealant or whatever you need to do.
So we quickly want to illustrate that. So what we've done is we've taken a can and we've actually made a little hole in the can so that you can see. So you'll see this is what the powdery residue that the oil binder actually becomes when it dries after you've applied it. So what we are going to do is we're going to make a little bit of a mess just to show you how the color changes by adding a little bit of oil at the top. So you'll be able to see at what surface at the bottom it's going to come through so that you can see what you're going to be able to identify at the bottom of your vehicle. A nice little bit of oil. Okay. Okay. So we've actually sealed it so well that it doesn't.
So it means the product works because this is one of it. It actually has to seal those oil seeping through the gasket itself, where the sealer is not taking place. But as you can see with this little project, it is coming through a bit, but not enough to actually show you visually.
Okay, I think we will be able to show you visually. So I am going to turn and make sure that I'm not going to get all the oil in the other place. I don't know if you can see. There is little black spots at the bottom. And this is actually to show you then where the little holes were. So we made small little holes because we didn't want oil everywhere, which is the case in any way. But just to be able to show you that if you spray that on, you are going to be able to see very, very quickly where those holes are so that you can identify and seal them. So a really, really stunning product to be able to use to remove all the oil in your driveway and everywhere else that it's spilled and seeped into the cement, but also to identify leaks on the bottom of your vehicle.
Yeah, so I know this is a product that's amazing and needs to be in every household because every household has a problem. So yeah, looking forward to the next show.
I can just imagine people coming to your house, leaving, and you running out with your can to spray it on. But I know a lot of people have a really, really big association with that. So don't worry, we have a solution. Thank you very much for watching the Melly
and Shally Show.